9 foods that will help you lower your blood pressure. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 9 foods that's going to help you lower your blood pressure. So if you're ready, let's go. Did you know that 45% of Americans have hypertension, more commonly known as high blood pressure? These numbers are increasing because of poor lifestyle choices, bad eating habits, and not getting enough nutrients from healthy foods. If left untreated, high blood pressure can lead to heart attacks and strokes because of damage that it does to the arteries and the blood vessels. Here are 9 foods that can help you lower your blood pressure that you can start eating today. Number 1, leafy greens. Leafy greens are loaded with potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that are essential for lowering blood pressure. Kale, Swiss chard, cabbage, spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and arugula are fantastic choices. The high potassium in these help to calm the nervous system to normalize your blood pressure. High magnesium also helps to reduce tightness in the small muscle around your heart and blood vessels, so that the blood can flow freely. Number 2, seeds and nuts. Pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, Brazil nuts, pistachios, almonds, chia, and flax seeds are all excellent foods to help lower your blood pressure. These are loaded with magnesium and healthy fats, which can help lower inflammation in the vascular system to ease pressure and promote normal blood flow. Eat a handful straight after a meal, and you will feel calmer and more relaxed. Number 3, celery. If you often snack on junk foods late at night, such as cookies or cake, then you may be overstimulating your nervous system. Try to cut out unhealthy snacks and switch to celery dipped in hummus. Celery has a natural chemical called phthalates, which relax the tissues of the artery walls to increase blood flow and reduce blood pressure. This will also help you sleep better at night. Number 4, berries. If you do suffer from hypertension, blood pressure, or shortness of breath, you may want to try getting some more berries into your diet. Blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, gooseberries, and blueberries are ram-packed full of vitamin C and anthocyanins. These antioxidants reduce inflammation in the body so that the blood can flow freely through the arteries and the blood vessels. Try eating a half a cup of berries per day. This should be enough to make an impact. Number 5, oily seafood. Researchers have found that naturally oily fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies can also help to lower blood pressure and protect the heart and brain. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids in the form of DHA and EPA, which lower inflammation around the heart. Try switching out deep-fried meats for steamed fish at least 3 times per week to help restore your health. Also recommended are shellfish like mussels, crab meat, oysters, and shrimp. These shellfish are packed full of vitamin B12, which calms stress hormones and lowers blood pressure. Number 6, dark cherry juice. You can purchase concentrated dark cherry juice from health stores, which is also a fantastic way to reduce and lower your blood pressure. Cherries are full of phenolic acids, which help boost nitric oxide release. This will open up the blood vessels and helps the blood to flow and reduces blood pressure naturally. Number 7, avocados. Sometimes known as butterfruits, avocados are a rich source of monounsaturated healthy fats, folate, potassium, and magnesium, which all work together to relax blood vessels and balance out your blood pressure. What this will do is it will help you to make you feel fuller and less likely to snack on junk foods. Number 8, herbs and spices. Ginger is one of the best spices for relaxing the muscles that surround blood vessels and lowering BP. The following spices and herbs are also scientifically proven to help lower BP. Coriander along with saffron, black seeds, cinnamon, cardamom, celery seed, lemongrass, and ginseng. Try adding these herbs and spices into your diet as much as you can. Number 9, limes and lemons. Squeeze the juice from fresh lemons and limes into a glass of water every single day. it is recommended that you use good quality mineral water, still or sparkling water. This blood pressure tonic solution can help lower BP within 20 minutes by boosting oxygenation in the body. As you can see, there are many foods out there that you can consume which can help to reduce hypertension and high blood pressure. Just remember, it's very important that you also cut out refined grains and sugary foods, as these deplete your potassium and magnesium reserves. These minerals are essential for keeping your blood pressure in check. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on 9 foods that lower your blood pressure. Also, don't forget to head on over, click the link in the description, and head on over to the blog and get your free remedy guide. I know you're going to enjoy it. So if you like today's video and you want to see more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot here at Remedies Insider, and it does help us keep the lights on. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you get notified when I upload a video. I am uploading videos weekly. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insiders. I hope you have a great day or night. Take care and God bless.